with devils. I'm a rebel. Big city got bitch, I got several. Bitch, I fuck with devils.
So hello, what's up guys, I'm Nikki and you are watching Tech Info Nikki YouTube channel. So in this video we will discuss about the strcpy function that is related to our string series. And in the last video we had learned about the strlen, it means string length function, and in this video we are going to know about the strcpy, it means string copy function. Okay, so this function is used to copy the content of one string into another. It means we can say this function copies the content of the one string into another. The base address of the source and target string or the another string should be supplied to this function. It means in strcpy function. So its syntax is, if we have character girl1 and it's string 1 girl1, and here I have typed this string that is beautiful. Okay, that is, and I have the character second girl2 and its length is 10. Okay, now I have copied this string, and in the function strcpy you just have to enter the first string that you want in which you want to copy the first string, or the which you want to copy the other string. Okay, as I want to copy first string into the second one, that is girl2, so I have to first type this second string, then the first. Okay, and its output will be same for the both variables, girl1 equal to beautiful and the girl2 equal to beautiful. Okay, so let's type a program for this, and this is the last video program. And if you didn't watch the last video, so please watch that, and link is available in the description. Okay, so now I'm going to type a program for string a copy into the another one. Okay, so now I'm going to has include string dot h. Okay, then the int main, and sorry, and here I am going to character and then girl1. Okay, after that this one, and okay, beautiful beauty. Okay, I am going to type intelligent. Okay, then make the end of the line, then go to the second string and here enter the girl2. Okay, take let me take boy1 and its length 10, and great. Now use the strcpy function. Cpy function, and in this function we have to enter the first we have to enter the string in which we want to copy this string text. So I want to copy it into the second string, that is boy1. So boy1 then comma girl1. Okay, and make it end of the line, then go to the printf function, and here we have to type the girl1 string equal to %d, %s, then the selection. Okay, and here enter print this girl1 variable or string, and then go to printf again, and here type the boy1 string equal to percentage s, then make it into the new line. Okay, and then comma, and then print boy1 variable or string, then the turn 0. So okay, that is the program. Now I am going to run this program. So we get the same word for the both strings, girl1 and the boy1. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, great. Now girl1 string is equal to T and the boy1 string equal to intelligent. Oh, wait guys, what happened? Okay, sorry guys, its length is greater than 10 because that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11, and I entered 10. If I make it 15 or 20 like that, or okay 12, then it prints its free string. Girl1 string is equal to intelligent, and the also boy1 string is equal to intelligent. Okay, so it is the use of strcpy function in strings or in C language. So if you enjoy this video and if this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and make sure you have subscribed my channel for never miss an update. So I will see you again in the next tutorial. Then bye guys.